Good morning, traders. Another beautiful and lovely morning to be giving you guys market outlook on USDpairs and gold. So let's dive straight to the video. Starting off with gold, we've seen gold price continue to push back to the lows as of yesterday. So gold price continued to drop as of yesterday. So what do we expect for the market to do? This is an open liquidity point that price might take. But ideally, I would like to see price get to this 3-monthly open because we have 1 hour liquidity here. This is the only liquidity we have in the 1 hour. That is the potential liquidity for price to use in reversing. So ideally, I would like to see price get to this 3-monthly open, and then from there we can continue longing gold again. So this is the ideal setup for gold. But for now, possibly gold might continue to go up from here due to the fact that there is this little liquidity here. So gold might continue to go up from here, possibly. Like just continue to go up from here. But the ideal setup will only come, like the cleanest setup will come when price drops to this 3-monthly open and take out this little bump in the road here, or this small liquidity here. So the next pair I'm looking at is what do we call it? US dollar index, which is DXY. DXY also still looking bearish. So what do I want to see on DXY? I want to see price continue with the trend, the downward trend. I'm still expecting to see price push up further, maybe to this 3-monthly open before it starts selling off, possibly. But if we don't get that, we might still see price take out this high and then from there start selling off again. Then maybe get to the yearly open before the buy will start playing out again. So my setup for yesterday is still the same setup I'm looking at for this for today. So I'm still looking to see same setup as of yesterday today. So I'm still, if possible, we get this liquidity taking and then this liquidity taking, and then from there we start to see sell off, or possibly we might even see something like this. Price might continue to create higher high like this, maybe until we get to this yearly open before this 3-monthly open, and take out this liquidity here before price will then sell off. And at the same time, we might just get to see price continue to buy from there. But ideally, I would like to see price drop to this yearly open at least, then before we start longing again, because it will be more ideal to see price take out this low. But price already took this liquidity here. This is already a liquidity zone that price took presently. So possibly we might just see price continue to go up from here, just like this. So, but all we are just going to do is to just wait for price action to play out. So I'll just wait for price to either break out this high, and then we might trade the retracement of that breakout, and then that's that for DXY. Just break out this high, trade the retracement, and continue looking for longs. So the next pair I'm looking at is Euro USD. Euro USD also looking like it's ready to sell off, but it didn't get to that yearly open of which I was anticipating. Although we already took liquidity here. Let me go to the 4 hours. We already took the 4 hours liquidity. We already took this liquidity here, but I'm still expecting price to take that 1 hour liquidity. Let me go to the 1 hour. This 1 hour liquidity here, which is this little accumulations here. So I would like to see price take this out, then tap to the yearly open. If that can occur, that would be very ideal. That would be a very nice setup for Euro US. But for now, the structure is kind of giving us a sign of reversal, possibly because we already took out this high with a wick, and after taking it out, now we're going low. So if price should take this low now, then we might start seeing sell off on Euro USD. So for now, what I want to see is that I want to see price either take out this low or take this. Let me go to the 15 minutes, or take this 15 minutes structure as liquidity. This 15 minutes liquidity here. Take this 15 minutes liquidity here, and then we might start seeing reversal on charts. Either we take out this or we take this, but I think this is okay. So if we should get price to take this out, give us a change of character, then we can start longing it again to this yearly open. And that's the ideal setup. But if not, if price does not give us a change of character within this zone, then we will just wait to see price take this low to avoid getting stopped out. So if we don't get a change of character in the hourly time frame, then we'll just wait till the swing low has been taken, and then we know that we have changed character to sell. The next pair I'll be looking at today is So the next pair I'm looking at today is GBP USD. GBP USD, I'm still expecting more upsides on GBP USD. I'm still expecting more longs on GBP USD. Sorry, yeah, I'm still expecting one more sweep on GBP USD. Sorry guys, let me just delete. So I'm still expecting one more long on GBP USD. If possible, if we can take out this high here, if we can take this high, then it will be a cleaner price action, because this is kind of a range. This yearly open is serving as a resistance zone now, of which price is using to reject. So we have seen price continue to push back down from that zone continuously, like countless number of time. So um so we have seen price reject that zone for like 1, 2, 3, okay, 3, 4, and 5 now. So what do I want to see now? I want to see price might probably start selling off from here. It will be nice to see price continue to sell off from here. But at the same time, what we might get again is we might get one more sweep up to that zone of which I marked, which I was expecting price to take out. That's a liquidity high, so that we know that the range high has been taken. Then we'll not target the low. So possibly we might get one more long from here if this is taken. But if we should get a double low, because this is like a change of character here, so possibly we might start selling off at the same time. At the end of the day, we only trade with confirmation. So this is like a change of character, and price has retraced to the supply zone of this change of character. So possibly we might start selling off from here and create another lower low. So the only when I will be happy to take this low, to start taking sales on GBP USD, is if this low gets broken. So if this low gets broken, then the ideal setup will come when we come back to the this thing, and then we continue to sell off. We continue to see lower lows to sell off. This is how the setup will look for us to be able to sell GBP USD. But if not, if we should get something like this, and then we get a change of character within this zone here after that liquidity, then we know that price will probably go for the high again. But if we don't get this change of character and price continues to sell off and takes this low, then we know that we are going to probably be selling off. Once we take out this low, once this low has been taken and we have this change of character, then once this low has been taken, then we will then expect price to come back to a liquidity point, which is something like this, and then from there we start seeing sell-offs. So that's that for GBP USD. The next pair I'm looking at is today is AUD USD. AUD USD, I'm still expecting one more upside on AUD USD, although we are um, although price is still not at the liquidity point. We still have this liquidity here. I still call this a liquidity. This liquidity here and here. Although we already had this liquidity taken, and ideally price might start selling off from here. But at the same time, I would like price to take out this liquidity high here. If price should take out this one, to be more ideal to sell this pair. But possibly we might start seeing sell off from here, because we already took liquidity and we already took enough liquidity. So if I should get this low taken now, then we know that we'll have our change of character to sell off. But if not, then we might see one more. If this low is not take if this low has not been taken, like, and then we see a change, like this low does not form a new change of character for us, then we know that we'll probably start going up again. So if I don't see something like this, then I will be waiting for more longs on AUD USD. Sorry, yes, I will be waiting for more longs on AUD USD. So if possibly we start rejecting from within this zone, maybe from this liquidity low, then more longs will come. But if not, we will see more sell off. So if not, you see more sell off. So far, this liquidity low, or this low, does not hold, we see more sell off. Although there's no liquidity here, which is making this demand zone strong. So possibly we might see price get all the way to this swing low. Possibly we might see price take out this swing low then we'll have our change of character to continue to sell. So that's my idea setup for AUD USD. Next pair I'm looking at is NZD USD. NZD USD, similar thing I'm looking at on NZD USD. NZD USD already took this little bumps in the road here, which is this liquidity here. NZD USD already took this liquidity here, and then probably we might start seeing sell off. But at the same time, I'm still not sure of this sell coming, because we still possibly price can still get to this high, but the idea setup can play out here. So I want to see this low get taken before our sell will start coming. So once this low has been taken now, once we have this change of character here, once we have our change of character here, then we'll start selling off again. We'll start seeing sell off on NZD USD. If not, for now, what we just want to see is just price to continue going up, maybe from this liquidity point here. If from this liquidity point here, price will continue to sell, continue to go into the highs. But for now, I strongly want price to take out this low so that we can get a change of character to sell. The next pair I'm looking at is USD CHF. USD CHF still looking good to push up, because why do I say USD CHF looks good to push up? I should go to the 4 hours so you guys can see clearly. We already have the swing structure holding up. The swing structure is just a bullish one. So what do I want to see here? We had this liquidity taken. So what do I want to see after this liquidity has been taken? I want to start seeing bullish momentum. So if we should take this high, the price should take this high, maybe this place, give us another what do we call it, break of structure, and give us 2 break of structure, and then we know that we're ready to um, continue with the longs. If we should get a break of structure like this, then maybe from this second one we'll trade the retracements of the second one and start buying and continue with the longs. But if not, we might get to see price go low like this, then the change of character will then come in. Sorry guys. Change of character will now come in after that low. That low will now serve as a change of character. Then we'll start reversing from within after the change of character occur, then we'll start reversing from maybe within this entire move. If the change of character plays out, if price keeps on selling off, this will only occur if price keeps on selling off to this low. If price only takes out this low, then we'll start expecting to see a change of character. But once price takes this low, then this buy setup is violated. Then we might not see any buy on USD CHF. We might start seeing sell continuation. But for now, what I want to see is either a break to the low, then we get a change of character, then we get a pullback to the high, get a change of character, and then start buying. But this yearly open now is also serving as a resistance zone now, so you see price has rejected from it. So what I prefer to see is a strong breakout and then a retracement, so that we can continue to long the pair. The next pair I'm looking at is US dollar card. US dollar card. This is a trade I'm still looking to see sell off a little bit more. But once this high has been taken, then we know that the trade has been violated. Then we close the trade. But this is our swing high, or this is the high. This high now is serving as will serve as a change of character when if price should take it out. So I don't want to see price take out this high. But if price should take it out, then we know that this trade is no more valid. This sell is no more valid. Then we'll close out. I told you I've been holding this trade for a while now, and I already took partials. So if I'll be happy if I see price. I'll be happy if I see price give us a change of character, because from there we can start seeing more. What do we call it? From there we might start seeing more longs on this pair. So for now, I want to see price give us a change of pattern, and then we start going up, or we just continue to sell off from here, using this as our what do we call it? As our supply zone. So this will now serve as our supply zone to continue selling off till we get to this yearly open. That can be an ideal setup. The next pair I'm looking at is US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY. This was a trade I was speaking about yesterday, of which we were opportune to get into this trade after price retraces to this 3 monthly open, and then at stop loss below here, and targeting in 1:2 risk to reward. Targeting in 1:2 risk to reward. So this is my idea. This is an ideal trade you guys can also uh, capitalize from. But for now, price is already pushing up. Maybe from the 1 hour or 15 minutes, we might get another entry to long this pair. So that's that for what do we call it? Yes, for today, guys. This is a clean setup. I don't know if I should explain it, but I will just explain so that you guys will understand. Why am I taking this trade? We had our liquidity sweep, and this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. Obviously, we are still bullish on this pair. So what do I want to see here? I want to see liquidity sweep. I already have that liquidity sweep, and then I drop down to the 1 hour, I saw a change of character in the 1 hour. We have our 1 hour change of character from here. After the 1 hour change of character, we got our pullback. This was our pullback, and the price continued to push up from there. Then as we continue to push up, then what do we expect? We expect another liquidity graph. So price took out this low here as a liquidity, and then so let me just delete this so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So price took this as our liquidity, of which from there we started to see more longs in its month. So this is a nice setup I would be happy to be in, or I am happy to be in. So I want to see price take out this swing high, because this is the major liquidity, or the major swing high, which will make the structure will continue to stand. So I want to see the swing high taking. So that's that for today, guys. That's all I have. So this is the trade I'm currently on. This is the trade I'm currently on, and I'm watching. I want to see this high taking. So that's that for today, guys. So if you like to see videos like this, and you want to if you like this video and you like to continue seeing videos like this, just leave a like on the channel, and or leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Peace.